Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to disable incoming calls on Viber. Maybe you are in a situation where you don't want to be disturbed by incoming calls on Viber, or you simply want to have a quiet time without any interruptions. So today I am going to show you how to disable incoming calls on Viber. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Viber application and log in to your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the main chat screen. In this page, tap on this more icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open the Viber menu. From this menu, tap on Settings. In the Settings page, tap on Calls and Messages. Here, you will see an option called Viber in Calls. By default, this option is turned on, allowing you to receive incoming calls on Viber. Now, to disable incoming calls, simply tap on this button next to this option. Once you do that, the button will be unchecked, indicating that you have successfully disabled incoming calls on Viber. Now, you will no longer receive any incoming calls on Viber. This can be helpful if you want to avoid interruptions or if you prefer to use Viber solely for messaging purposes. There you go. If you wanted to know how to disable incoming calls on Viber, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to disable incoming calls on Viber, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.